Optimizing your rental listings during the fall and winter seasons takes a few adjustments, but it can make a big difference in getting your property rented quickly. As the days get shorter and colder, fewer people are looking to move, and the way you present your property needs to stand out. Today, we're going to cover some key tips to help you optimize your listings for fall and winter, attracting quality tenants even when the market slows down. First, make sure your listing photos highlight the property in its best light. If possible, include photos taken during warmer months to show the property's outdoor appeal, like lush landscaping, trees, or garden areas. People want to visualize themselves in a bright, welcoming space, and green outdoor photos are often more attractive than winter scenes. If you're taking new photos, choose a clear day and make sure walkways are free of snow or leaves. Also, focus on making the indoor spaces look warm and inviting. Use good lighting, and if you have features like a fireplace, make sure it's in the photos. These small touches can make the space look cozy, which is exactly what renters want during the colder months. Next, update your listing description to include winter-friendly features. Think about what would make your property more appealing in colder weather and highlight those points. For example, if your property has energy-efficient heating, double-pane windows, or a mudroom for snowy boots, mention these details. Many renters are looking for properties that are comfortable and well-equipped for winter, so include anything that shows the property is ready for the season. Even small features, like extra insulation or secure windows, can help sway a renter who's looking for comfort and efficiency in the winter months. Pricing strategy is also crucial in fall and winter. This time of year, fewer people are moving, so pricing competitively can help attract tenants faster. Do a quick market check to see what similar properties are going for, and adjust your price slightly if needed to stand out. A small price adjustment can help get your property rented quickly and reduce the risk of long vacancies. Also, consider offering a move-in incentive to make the listing more appealing, like a discounted first month's rent or a small gift card to a local coffee shop. These seasonal perks can set your property apart, giving tenants an extra reason to choose your listing over others. Curb appeal still matters, even in colder months, so keep the property's exterior neat and accessible. Clear any fallen leaves, salt walkways to prevent ice buildup, and make sure entryways are clean and welcoming. Adding seasonal touches like a simple wreath or a clean outdoor mat can create an inviting entrance for potential tenants. For properties in snowy areas, ensure the driveway and walkways are regularly cleared. Prospective tenants want to know that winter upkeep is easy and that they'll have a safe and well-maintained entry. A well-cared-for exterior tells potential tenants that the property is in good hands and will be looked after during their lease. Timing and availability are also key in fall and winter. With shorter daylight hours and busy holiday schedules, it's helpful to be flexible with showing times. Offer virtual tours for tenants who may have difficulty visiting in person, especially on cold or snowy days. Virtual tours allow renters to get a feel for the property without the hassle of leaving their home, making your listing more accessible and appealing. If you're scheduling in-person showings, consider offering weekend or evening slots to accommodate different schedules. Flexibility shows prospective tenants that you're serious about filling the property and are willing to make it convenient for them. Another important tip is to refresh your listing's keywords and phrases. Many renters in colder months are specifically searching for winter-friendly features, so include terms like energy-efficient heating, double-pane windows, insulated, mudroom, or snow removal included. These keywords make your listing more searchable and help it show up in more relevant results. Adding these seasonal keywords ensures that renters looking for specific winter comforts will find your property and see that it meets their needs. Optimizing the description with these terms can make a big difference in attracting the right tenant during colder months. Lastly, emphasize tenant comfort and move-in readiness. Winter is not a season when people want to deal with repairs or unfinished work, so make sure the property is fully prepared. Highlight any recent maintenance, like a heating system check or winterizing work, to reassure potential tenants that they won't run into issues once they move in. A property that's move-in ready and comfortable from day one is much more attractive to renters, especially when temperatures are low and convenience is a priority. Mentioning this in your listing description can help make your property more appealing by eliminating doubts about last-minute fixes or wintertime headaches. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we help property owners optimize their listings for every season, making sure your property attracts quality tenants year-round. From professional photos to crafting winter-ready descriptions, we handle all aspects of listing management to ensure your property is seen by the right renters and filled quickly. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. To sum up, optimizing your rental listing for the fall and winter seasons is all about emphasizing comfort, accessibility, and convenience. Use high-quality photos, highlight winter-friendly features, price competitively, keep the exterior well-maintained, offer flexible showings, and make sure the property is move-in ready. With these strategies, your listing will stand out and attract tenants quickly, even during slower months. If you need help with listing optimization or property management, Alpine Property Management. Kansas City is here to ensure your property performs at its best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.